Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So thanks for clicking on this video today. Today is actually Sunday. It is for some people the end of the holiday week. So anyway, you guys know that I have been working on, I only have one more room that I'm working on for myself first, and then I was gonna put it up, for you guys to see just how things are affordable to you. You just have to maybe like go out a little bit, not out so far out of your way, but yeah. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys a few things that I've picked up, and I'm gonna share them with you because pretty soon, hopefully in the next week or two, I will be having a reveal of the bedroom. So just wanted to welcome you guys here. To all my new subscribers, I appreciate you all so much. Thank you all so much for taking the time to click on this video. I love you all, and always remember, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. Okay, let's get ready to get in this video. Let's get ready to dive into what she found. And yeah, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. This world is not good because we all don't love one another, and we all don't love ourselves. There's a lot of people that don't love themselves, so it makes it very, very hard. Okay, just want to say that. So read Psalms 91 too, if you don't mind. All right, y'all, on to the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So like I said before, y'all, it's cold outside. Okay, it is cold outside. I'm gonna say it again. It's cold outside. Because what? Because it's cold outside. Y'all, I showed y'all right at the beginning, it was cold outside. And it's still cold outside. It's hailing, snowing, and it's cold outside. And today was the first day I had to turn the heat on. Okay? She had to turn her heat on. Okay? But anyway, let's get on into this video. So guys, I'm just going to show you the things that I picked up. Maybe 2 of the things are for the bedroom, but I have something for you. I have a job for y'all to help me, okay? So the first thing I picked up, guys, were these 2 candles, and these are the Threshold. These are jasmine. I don't know, clean salt, and I don't have my glasses on. But these are the candles that I got. The color is white, like a turquoise blue, and a gray. And guys, do you guys know where these are gonna go? I'm glad you asked if you don't know. I am actually gonna put these in the kitchen, on the kitchen table, in both of those pillar glass, beautiful candelabras. Yes, I am. She's going to put them right there. And it's so funny when I seen these, and these were $2 a piece, if you wonder. $2 for the Threshold candles. Think about it. If you go to Dollar Tree, because I was going to go buy out 2 white linen candles, right? Those candles are only about that tall, right? So 1, 2, 3, I would be buying 4. I don't have to do that. This makes more sense because although they're pretty, I'm only going to be burning them here and there because they smell so good. You can smell them through the candle paper, the plastic or whatever. But it just made more sense to get these, if you know what I'm saying. So I got these 2, and that's what they look like, if you're wondering. So we got that. The next thing I picked up were these black bowls, and these are from the Hearth and Home collection. Hearth and Home by Magnolia Home. 2 of these, and they are, y'all already know, this is the stoneware. I absolutely love these. So if you don't know, I shared with y'all the other day that I'm trying to build my cabinet in the kitchen from old dishes that were shiny and stuff like that and can break easily to the stone. They last longer and they're more durable. So I got both of these, and some of you might say it's pricey because I did. Now usually when you go to these places, these might be $1 when I go to the bins. She gave me the two for $5. So I happened to be hanging out with a friend, and we went in Target, the real Target store, and these were $5.99 a piece. So I didn't think that was bad because I got 2 for $5 instead of paying $5.99, which would have made it $12. So I got these 2, and like I said, they are the Hearth and Home by Magnolia Home, and they are stone black, and I absolutely love them. So now I only need 1 more of these bowls, and I'll be building my collection. And I will show you guys that over time how I built my cabinet with my new servingware, what we eat out of. So the next thing I got was this black throw, which is really, really shiny and plush. And if you guys don't know, I'm typically buy cotton, linen, and wool. I can't find one. I mean, I have one on my bed, but I need this. I mean, I don't need it, but I bought this for $5. It's a very, very nice, really good size. Really good size. And it opens up really, really wide. But anyway, you guys will see she needed a black throw. Okay? And it's cold outside. But no, if I ever find a nice plush one that is made out of cotton, I'm gonna get it. Okay? So, last but not least, y'all. Oh gosh. This is my absolute favorite thing that I got. And guys, this is all just material stuff, but I'm trying to do out with the old and with the new, and then move some stuff around so that way I won't have to spend any money. I'm not really spending a lot of money now, but I won't have to spend a lot of money over time too. That's another thing. Yeah, and I've been able to bless my family members with things too. So yeah. So the last but not least, y'all. Guys, do y'all see this? Yes, look at it. She found another lamp for $5. Yes, she did. So this is my homework for you guys. I already know what I'm probably going to do, but I just want to ask you guys. Do you guys see how beautiful this is? Look at that. Same one. Now, the only thing that might be different is the shade, but they're still white, okay? But this is the same lamp. I don't have to do no screwing. It's already done. It's no tightening or anything. It's already done. So this is my homework for y'all. Although I'm going to do what I want to do. This is Project 62, y'all, too. Right here. Project 62. So, do you guys remember these? These are real marble. The antique brass. See? Has the chain pull here. Really beautiful lamp. I have 2 of these in the bedroom, right? And y'all guys know I just bought one of these for the office. I want to know, do you guys think I should take these, the one in the office and this one, and put it in the bedroom? Or keep these in the bedroom and put one of these in the office and put the other one somewhere else? I'm not going to tell y'all where that's going to go, but yeah, that is you guys' homework. Let me know. Bedroom, both of them, the one from the office and this one, or keep these in the bedroom. So yeah. So guys, that is all I got to show you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. So always remember, love yourself so that you may love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all. Until next time.